The allegations by an additional woman district and sessions judge posted in the Gwalior bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court of being sexually assaulted by a sitting judge has once again reignited the debate on the growing cases of crimes against women. In her letter to the Chief Justice of India, the woman judge levelled serious allegations on the HC judge. In her complaint, the woman judge has alleged that the accused judge asked her to dance to an item song during a function at his residence. He allegedly approached her via the district registrar. She skipped the gathering, following which the judge once again made a personal comment. Later on, June 22nd, when she and her husband tried to meet him, the judge refused, saying he would meet her a fortnight later. Meanwhile, she was transferred to Siddhi. The victim alleges that the MP High Court transfer policy was violated. She was transferred when her daughter was studying in class 12th, mid-session, leading to problems. Under pressure, she finally resigned on 15th July. On the woman's complaint, the Chief Justice of India, R.M. Lodha, has assured of action. Lodha said, "This is the only profession where we refer to our colleagues as brothers and sisters. This is unfortunate. I will take appropriate action after the complaint is placed before me." Even the former Additional Solicitor General Indira Jai Singh called for the impeachment of the accused judge by Parliament if found guilty and said that no further work should be assigned to such a judge.
सबसे पहले हम ये मांग कर रहे हैं इस देश के संसदों से कि आप इस अवसर पे एकदम जल्दी impeachment शुरू कीजिए। अगर ये प्रूव हो गया कि ये महिला जो कह रही है वो सच है, फिर इसको अपने पद से हटाया जाएगा।
Madhya Pradesh Women's Commission as well as the National Commission for Women have assured full help to the victim and have also called for severe action against the accused judge.
ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि एक जो महिला है, जो सिटिंग जज है, उनके ऊपर भी इस तरह से अगर आपत्ति होती है तो ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण मामला है। एनसीडब्ल्यू इसको बहुत ही सीरियसली ले रहा है।
जो उसकी शिकायतें हैं वो किसी भी तरह से कमतर नहीं आंकी जा सकती और खासतौर से वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमेटी जो सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट रोकने के लिए बनती है, उसकी वो स्वयं चेयरपर्सन है। तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि इसकी गंभीरता कितनी है।
This issue has serious ramifications as the victim herself was part of judiciary. The question is, when the woman who is the disposer of justice could not get justice, then can common women feel safe? Newsnight Desk, DD News.